our text and number our files. Before I go any further though, I need to save this file. And when we go to our file formatting, it is 01 underscore C underscore last name underscore first name dot JPEG. So I'm gonna go File, Save As. Here's our raw files, my 20 images that I'm working for. I make a folder. I'm gonna call that PSD. Oops, not PDA. Let's try it again. Let's make a new folder. I'll delete that other one afterwards. PSD. And then I write 01 underscore underscore first name underscore, 01 C underscore last name underscore first name. My format is Photoshop. I'm not going to save my PSDs yet. I'm still working Photoshop and I want to have my Photoshop files. So I'm going to use my ruler again and get some guides. I'm going to go about halfway through. And remember, we have to be consistent. So I'm going to do 1/2 inch. And I could zoom in, Command plus, so I can make sure that our guides are in the right spot. It's just and I'm going to grab my guide from the left side and go 1/2 inch and 1/2 inch. So I have all my guides ready to go, and I'm going to press Command S or File, Save, because I don't want to lose any of my hard work. So first, number 1, I go to the text tool. I'm going to choose a color that I can read on all of these. These are all black, but the first one, I was thinking white. It might not show up, but let's go ahead and choose white. And here's my color picker. Okay. How did I get my color picker? I chose on the top bar, this area here, I'm circling it, the white page, and then there it's white. I think I'm going to do red, because red will show up on white or black. So let's choose a bright red. My font is 30 points, 01. Move that around. I'm going to put it right into the corner. And then let me bring my layers. So Window, Layers, or F7. We can see right now we have a layer with a T on it. That's us right there. That's our 01. You can see the 01. Press Return. And then I'm going to choose to the right of it, text again. Move this over. And I'm going to go 1/4 inch this time from the left. You don't have to be as exact as I am. And then I'm going to do diagonals and push it up on our guide. 1/2 inch and 1/4 inch increments. That's the easiest thing to do. And let's make a second one. So I'm going to click onto my text tool or quick key T, 02. Then I'm going to use my move tool or quick key V, put it right in our little space. Then I'm going to press pull out another guide at 1/4 inch. And this one, according to our sheet, is leading lines. So once again, I can press on the T for the text or quick key T. Leading lines. Use the move tool, and there it is. So 0, 1, 0, 2, let's do it again. One more time. Text tool, 0, 3, use the move tool, pop it right in that corner. Text tool again. This is the S curve. Use the move tool to move it to where you want it. And let's just finish off this assignment by doing number 4. Once again, press return to disconnect. Press T or the text tool on the left side. 0, 4, move tool, line it up just right. Then go back to the text tool. And this is, number 4 is triangle. Back to the move tool. And there you are. Now we need to save. So I can either do Command S or go File, Save. Now we need to save it as a JPEG. I recommend you save your PSD, your Photoshop files, in one folder, and then another folder, your JPEGs. So I'm gonna go File, Save As. You can see I have my PSDs right there. I'm gonna click onto this folder right before it and go New Folder and write JPEG. Create. Now, if you notice that my file right up on top, it has PSD, right? Let's see if that'll change it. So if I go down to Format, I don't see JPEG, right? So what you have to do is save a copy. And did you see that flicker? And then go down to JPEG. You don't want JPEG 2000 or JPEG Stereo. We just want regular JPEG. And notice on the top, it already changed, but it also made the word copy. So I have to delete that word because I don't want to save. I don't want it to say copy. It's ready to go. And I press save. Then I have a dialog box. What kind of options do you want? What quality? Choose 12 and then OK. That is the first page. You'll be doing that again 5 more times because 5 times 4 is 20. So you're going to be really good at pulling out your guides, making it fit, resizing, rotating, all these things in this one assignment. All right, I look forward to seeing what you come up with.